Hey YouTube, it's Techers Productions. It's currently 6:43 at night, and I've been well, let's start this off. I got a sidekick LX09 from my friend. He gave it to me because he basically couldn't charge it, and then the keyboard is sort of messed up, if you can see that. It's pressed in, but the keys, they do work. So that's D, then E. Oh yeah, it works. But now he couldn't charge it because the pins inside the charger broke. Not sure if you can see it. But they broke. So I looked online to see how you can charge it. And basically the only thing I found, because most people had posted videos on YouTube on like if anybody knew how to charge it if the thing was broken. Now, one way you can charge it is if you have one of these sidekicks, or a friend could charge the battery for you. But if you want, there's a website called shopnext.com. This they have the USB connector for the sidekick, and it's only $6, and it's not bad. I ordered the trackball, so you can see it's white. This one comes with the black one, but I bought the white one from this website, and they come really quick too. But I didn't order it because it requires you to open up the sidekick and everything, and then you'd have to buy one of these, a soldering iron, to put everything together. But another way, if it's broken, what you can do is you can go to Radio Shack. Now this, you would have to get it online, or you can go to any like cell phone store. You want to purchase a universal charger. Now, universal charger, I got this for $40. Okay, now this charger charges any cell phone battery or camera battery. So you see those two pins? Now when you put the sidekick battery in here, there's a positive and negative. You put the positive and negative on those two pins, and you plug it into outlet, and then a red light will appear, and then so this light will appear red, and this one green. This will start blinking, and when it's blinking, that means it's charging. And when it finishes charging, this will turn completely green, and this will stop blinking green. Now this you can get for, I believe, $10. So you go to Radio Shack, type in universal charger. I'd rather you get it from Radio Shack online because it's much cheaper. Here it is. It looks different because that one is a USB. You connect that one to the computer, and it's smaller. This one is just the outlet, so that one's like portable, and it costs $10. So that's pretty good, and they're in stock. So the universal charger, I can put a link on the description there, over there, so you guys can look at how it works. In my next video, I need your guys' help. I have a prepaid plan on this, and I'm not receiving service, so I basically can't go on the web browser. And I can't download anything. So if anybody knows how to get the service, usually it'll tell me my network thing is not working, or I'm not connected, and it says network status not signed in because I erased all my friend's stuff. Now if you guys know how I can sign in and get service back, please leave a comment and tell me how. And yeah, thanks. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about the sidekick, then just message me or leave a comment. Thanks. Bye.